Hi friends. Hi friends, welcome to the new session, second session basically. In previous session we have created the enterprise structure for the company code and financial accounting global setting. So in today's class I'm going to create the GL accounts. To create a GL accounts, these are the necessary steps which we need to configure for a GL accounts. So theoretically we need to understand what is chart of accounts and what it contains and how many types of chart of accounts. There are basically three types of chart of accounts: operative chart of account, group chart of accounts, and company chart of accounts, country chart of accounts. So operative chart of accounts are those chart of accounts which are used by all the company codes. That means same chart of account is assigned to all the company codes. If we assign the operative chart of account, it is possible for us to consolidate all the company code data for the group company. Second comes group chart of accounts. Group chart of account basically used to consolidate your different company codes. So in this case, all the company code are using their own operative chart of accounts. That means they are having different chart of accounts, not same chart of account. So while defining the chart of accounts, we need to assign the group chart of accounts. Then we need to create a link between my operative chart of accounts and group chart of accounts. So we can consolidate the books according to group chart of accounts. And country chart of account is basically designed as for the country specific requirements. So we are using the group chart of account, operative chart of accounts. So Control C at here, Control V, define chart of accounts. So I am using chart of account. Let me log in to the system. SPRO, SAP reference menu, financial accounting, GL accounts, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of account list. Click at here. OB13 is the T code. So in our case, we are using TAST chart of accounts. So under chart of accounts, we need the description of chart of accounts, chart of account code, chart of account description, maintenance language, and length of GL accounts. So as I discussed earlier, group chart of account, if my TAST is a part of different chart of accounts, then I need to assign group chart of account to consolidate all the values. So I am taking the screenshot now. Copy, go to Excel, select, Control V. Then next task, assign chart of account to company code. It is OB13. Assign chart of account to company code, save it, go back, assign company code to chart of account, go to position, TOSE is my country, company code name, and chart of account is TAST. Enter and save it. Then next is define account group. So first of all, we need to understand what do you mean by account groups. Accounts groups are defined to consolidate the same nature of GL account in one group. To define the account group, we need the chart of accounts, that for which chart of account we are creating the account group. Chart of account code, account group, name of account group, number ranges from and to will be provided. So it's up to you what number range you want to assign to your chart of accounts. So here for TAST, I have already assigned the account group. You can create a new entry and use this as create account group as per your requirements. You can copy this also, but these are my functionality. That's why how I have created it. Now retained earning accounts. So what do you mean by retained earning accounts? So retained earning account is basically profit and loss accounts. In the year end, all your balance sheet accounts, that means all assets and liability, is transferred to your next fiscal year as an opening balance. But profit and loss account balances transferred to next year as an zero balances. In the year end, whatsoever difference between income and expenditures, that is transferred to your profit and loss accounts. So in the period end or the year end, your profit and loss accounts are transferred with opening balance. That means no opening balance is there for them. To define the retained earning account, double click, enter your chart of account and assign the any GL account, but be sure that this GL falls under correct category. For example, if I go to the system and check my account group TAST, so my retained earning account is 1,10,000. So if I go and check my 1,10,000 for TAST, that that falls under reserves and surplus account. So this is the grouping. Under this group my GL is created, liability accounts. So if you press entry, because GL is not created till now, so system will give a warning that this GL is not created, but that's warning. You can press enter and save your options. So I have done necessary setting to create the GL master records. Now I am ready to create my GL accounts. To create a GL accounts, there are different options. In FS00, we can create the GL account centrally, and we can create chart of account for company GL account for chart of account also single transaction, and create GL account for company code also. We can create that also. The T code for this is FSS0 and FSP0 for this. Or if you want to copy the GL account from existing company code, that is also possible. So I hope you can see this T code to create the GL accounts. So now I am using this functionality to create the GL accounts. So now if I go to the system and run T code /n FS00, And if I change my company code to TOSC and press F4, you can see system is not providing me any list of GL accounts. So how to create it? Go back, SPRO, SAP reference menu, financial accounting, GL account, master data, GL accounts, GL account creation, create GL account with reference. Click on this option. Here you need to enter in which company code you want to create the GL accounts and from which company code you want to copy. So I am using TOSE company code. That means these are my target company code and my source company is, let us say, TAST. Enter, save it, select this, click on this magnified glass. So here you can see TOS is your target company and TAST, that means with the help of reference we are going to create. So if I click on this account from reference and press click at here, system will show me all the GL accounts created in TAST company code. We can create the GL account with this reference, but there are some conditions. The number range, the account group should be same for your source company code and target company code, number one. The number ranges of account group will be same from your source and target company code, and field status group should be same in your source company code and target company code. Now at here we need to copy all the GL accounts. So these are the different GL accounts which is already created in TAST company code. So here in bottom screen you can select at here, select all. So all the GL accounts are selected now. Now at here you can click on create GL accounts. So system is created your all the company codes data into the system. Now let us check, save it, go back, /NFS00, go to change company code, TOSC, okay, create TOSC, enter. Here you can see all the GL accounts are created in your TOS company code. Let me change it, reshuffle, TOS company code, and click on admin, click at here. Here you can see this data is created for TOS company code. This is the data in this currency, taxes are applicable. These are the field status which are assigned. So you can check any GL accounts. Those are created for your new company code. You can create it manually also. For example, I am creating at here festival expenses. So you can copy this GL accounts, or you can click on new button at here. Provide the number range. My number range, it should be falls under marketing expenses. So I am putting 440010 under TOS. So this is created as my non-operative expense or income account. So it falls under my marketing expenses. Description is, for example, festival expenses. So in the next column, I need to post the account currency. Account currency automatically copied from company code currency. Balance in local currency. Sort indicator, you can assign posting date, and GL account you can assign G001, and if the account belongs to your cash relevant, you can select this option and save it. So here you can see we have created the new GL with the help of FS00. Now I am going to show you how to copy individual record. For example, now I am going to create a new year expenses. For this festival expenses, I need to copy. Let us say my new GL account should be 440011. So select it, copy, change the number at here, 11, enter. All the data is copied. Change this description. Let us say new year expenses. So remaining data, if you want to change anything, you can change. For example, if you want to change your field status, that is also possible. You can change this also and save this option. Now you can say 440011 GL accounts you are able to see in the system. So that's it for now. In the next video, we will do the configuration, basic configuration required to post the GL entry in the system. So for that, we need to do some settings. That settings I will explain in next video. So that's it for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. If you can have any issue, you can contact me at my number 437-216-3500. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye.